Well, we decided to have another look at the Mini today, just to see if we can find out what the problem is with the clutch and to see if we can get that freed off. So what we've done, we've taken the air box off just so we can start to access things a little bit better. But we've also undone now the top of the master cylinder. So if the clutch pedal now moves, then it's the slave cylinder and not the master cylinder. So we're going to give that a try. Right, here we go with the clutch pedal. Nothing. So by taking the bleed nipple out the top, the pedal now goes down, but still nothing. So I suggest really that's going to be the slave cylinder. I've checked the arm on the side of the gearbox and the clutch housing, that's fine. But looks like it's rip out time. So I think because we're going to do a restoration on this, we'll probably start to take everything off it really. Drop the engine and subframe and box all in one go. Start taking everything off and we might as well get started.